Hello, my dear students. Myself, Rajkumar Kalia, worked in various states of India in different colleges and got experience from there. I have seen everywhere a little bit difference is there in coaching or the type of questions are there. Otherwise, everything is same. As far as students are concerned, in my experience, they are also having the same IQ. All are having the same IQ. To differentiate the student, it is difficult that north side is good, south side is bad, or like that. South is good, north is bad. Nothing like that. All are equally intelligent. Problem arises. Some students are not taking care. They are not listening carefully. That's it. Otherwise, no difference. So I have taken the step. Those who are little bit careless in the class, put the lecture on the YouTube, let them enjoy whenever they feel convenient. So by doing so, what I feel, I am working for you people, I am helping you people, I am saving your money. So for all these things, what I want from you people is a subscription. So kindly subscribe and put the icon bell to get next video. Today, I am going to teach you to find the rank of the matrix by canonical method or by reducing to the normal form. Echelon form we have done already. Echelon form we have done already. So today I am going to solve by canonical method or by reducing to the normal form. See the example. -2 -1 -3 -1 1 2 3 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. That is the sum. -2 -1 -3 -1 1 2 3 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. How we will do it? First here, leading entry preferably 1. Preferably 1. Here it is -2. We are with the two choices. Either multiply it by -1 by 2 and you will get a lot of fractions to solve. Or we can do one more way. R1 to R2 and R2 to R1 because 1 is here. It's not strictly that you are supposed to go for R1 and R2. 1 may be in R3, R4, so we can interchange with that. So what I want now, R2 to R1, R1 to R2. I want to change R1 to R2. Write down R2 first. 1, 2, 3, 1. Write it carefully. Here while writing, students are doing the mistake. Now I want R1, -2, -1, -3, -1. And R3, I am silent about R3, silent about R4. So like that you can take your first step. After doing this, below this one we want 0, 0, 0. That how we can do? Then the matrix A, you can write it equivalent to. Generally in some books I have seen they are putting equals also. Better it is equivalent now. See this carefully how we can put it. Keeping R1 as it is. R2 R2 plus 2 R1 to make it 0. Double of R1 and add. Listen carefully how I am reading. Double add. It's double add. While solving, while writing, you will write it in this way. While solving, keep it in mind, double and add. Double add, we will get 0. Double add, we will get 3. Double add, we will get 3. Double add, we will get plus 1. If you will miss the finger, you will not do in this way, you will do the mistake. So be careful. Then, here I also want 0. R3 to R3 minus R1. I will put my finger on R3. Minus R1, 0. Minus R1, minus 2. Minus R1, minus 2. Minus R1, 0. I am repeating this line, see once again. I want here also 0. What I can do? R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1. 1 minus 0. R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1. Minus 2. Minus R1 minus 2. Minus R1 0. Like that you will get. Then in fourth it is already 0. So like that you can go with the first column 1 and 0, 0. See the next one. Now we want leading entry in the second row, this has 1. So again I have two ways. One is 1/3 of all the entries. You will get here 1 by 3, again fraction will come. There you can do the mistake while adding and subtracting. So better you convert R2 and R4. See what next I am telling. R2 to R4 to get here 1 and R4 to R2 means I am silent about the first row. I am silent about the second row. For these two rows I am silent. I am not silent for R2. R2 to R4. Instead of R2 I want to put R4. Instead of R2 I want to put R4. That is 0, 1, 1, 1. Instead of R4 I want to put R2. 0, 3, 3, 1. And then third row as it is. 0, minus 2, minus 2, 0. We have got here 1. So like that we can do it. See next one. I want here 1. Here, sorry, 0. I want here 0. That how I can double and subtract. Double and add. I will get here 0. See what I am telling you. R3 to R3 minus double of R2 plus double of R2. Double of R2 means silent about R1. I am silent about R1. 1. 2, 3, 1. Silent about R2. 0, 1, 1, 1. But not silent for R3. R3 I want R3 plus double of R2. Double of R2 add. Double of R2 add. Double of R2 add. Double of R2 add. This is what I get. Here also below 1 I want 0 because I want here a lower 0 triangle. We call it as also the upper triangle. I will put it as R4, R4 minus triple of R2. I want here 0. Triple and subtract. Triple and subtract. Triple and subtract. See here. R4, R2 triple and subtract. Triple and subtract. Triple and subtract. Triple and subtract. This is what I get. Like that you use your finger to add and subtract carefully. So see, next what I can. 1 below 0, just see here, add 2, will get 0. Then next what I want, R3, R4 to R4 plus R3. Add these two. So we'll get matrix A equivalent to first as it is, second row as it is, third row as it is. Now add the two. Add, 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 add. R3, R4 I have added. So this is what I will get. Now we can't perform any row operation. Here lies the difference between echelon and this canonical or normal, reducing to the normal form. That how we will do. C1 subtract double of C1 from C2, triple of C1 from C3, then C4 minus C1. A1, I want to put it in the normal form. I will tell you right now, just let me write one line what is normal form. First column I want to put as it is. Now I am going for column operation instead of row operation. Next I want C2 to C2 minus double of C1. Double of C1, that is 0. Double of C1, double of C1, double of C1. Then I want C3 to C3 minus triple of C1. Triple of C1. Triple of C1, triple of C1, triple of C1. Now directly, that is C4 minus C1. C4 minus C1 to make here 0. Subtract, subtract, subtract. Canonical form is actually, I want to put it in this form. Or other than this, 0 should also be there. Means we will get a matrix like that. It will be extended to 0, 0. No need to put here bracket. You will get something like that, 0, 0, 0, 0, which can be written as I2 and then 0, 0 is extended. Here, if some matrix is like that, I can put it as I3, identity matrix of 3, then 0, 0 is extended. Similarly here, then its rank is 2. Here the rank like this will come to be 3. See how I can write it now. Can I go for C3 minus C1 to get here 0? C3 minus C2. C3 to C3 minus C2. Our matrix will be equivalent to first column as it is, silent about the second column, third column, C3 minus C2, 0, C3 minus C2, 0, C3 minus C2, 0, C3 minus C2, 0. Like that we can do. Then, here we are getting, we can't make any kind of adjustment I think in this. That is, here what we can do, C2, I think I have missed one entry here. C3 minus C2. C4 to C4 minus C2, which will give you 0. Then C4 minus C2, 4 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 2, 0. Like that we will get here 0 by subtracting. We will get it as, now see carefully, this line is with 0, 0. This column is with a 0, 0. Interchange it with the C4. That is C4, C3, interchange. A will come out to be equivalent to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then this C3 to half of C3. A will come out to be equivalent to 1 with 3 0, 0 1, 0 0, 0 0. When we will go for half, it will be 1, 0. Now see this part carefully. I can put it as I3 0 0. Thus rank of this matrix is 3. Like that you are supposed to solve it. First operate for rows. First operate for rows. After completing the rows, means when you got that now no operation is possible with the rows, come to the columns then. And after putting to the columns, you will find identity matrix, maybe 0 right side, maybe 0 downward, maybe on the both sides. So that will give you the matrix, or that will give you the I3 with 0 0 matrix. So thus rank of this matrix is a 3. Like that we are supposed to get the